Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to merge tables in Power BI step by step. Also, I will explain you why merging table is important and why should you do it whenever is that possible. Also, I will show you some tricks how to reduce your model by removing not necessary tables without losing any data. So let's get started. And here we are in Power BI desktop. First, what we need to do is to import data. For this purpose, I have two Excel files. Therefore, I will be using the Excel workbook connector. Let's select tables, two tables, regions and countries. Let's select first one, select sheet one, load. Let's import second table. That will be countries. Double click on it, select sheet one from pop-up window, click on load. We have imported data. Now let's save this file. Click on File, Save As, browse this device, navigate to folder where you want to save it, type name of the report, save. And before I show you how to merge tables, first let me show you what is the key benefit of using this Power BI functionality. The key benefit is reducing your model size. And let's check our current model size. So let's navigate to external tools. Under external tools, I have DAX Studio, but if you didn't install it, you won't have this tab because DAX Studio is an external tool and it needs to be installed separately. So just search it on Google and you will find installation. Pretty much simple and straightforward installing. Select DAX Studio. Select Advanced from top ribbon, click on View Metrics. Let's go to Summary. Okay, total size in memory of our model is 6.10 megabytes. Let's remember that. Close. First step in merging tables will be to clean our data. So when we import the data, I saw that we do not have column names and we will have to create them. So as we can see, in first row, we have our column name, and therefore we are going to use first row as a header option that is located here in top left corner. Click on this table icon and choose use first row as headers. Okay, and now as you can see, we have column headers applied. Let's repeat same step for second table. Use first row as headers. Let's rename tables. So this is country table and we have region table. Okay, let's save this and click on close and apply. Now let's check our model. Let's go to model view. Here we have our two tables. And as you can see, Power BI detected relationship between them. Power BI detected common column that they have with common values and created relationship one-to-many between these two tables. So usually we can create relationships between these two tables and everything will work normally. However, instead of using relationships, we are going to use merge function. Key reason for this is that it can simplify our data model by reducing the number of tables we need to manage. So let's go to Power Query and start it. So we'll start by merging country table with the region table. So select country table first, then click on merge query that is located in top ribbon. Here it is. Select merge queries. And in pop-up, you'll choose the region table to merge. So we have defined country table and region table, and now we need to select common columns for these two tables, and in our case that's region ID column. Next, Power Query asks us what type of joint we want. By default, it is left outer join, which keeps all the rows from our country table and adds matching rows from the region table. So this works for our example, but you can explore other options based on your needs. So let's select OK. And after the merge, new column is created and we need to expand the newly merged data. So click on the expand icon and select fields you want to bring into the country tables, such as region. So let's deselect all columns and select the one we need and click on OK. And now our country table has the region information as well. So now when the merge is completed, we can disable a region table because we do not need this table anymore, because we won't be using any data from this table. We have here region columns that is imported in our country table. We do not need sub-region nor ID. So let's just right click on it and select enable. Here we have some warning information. Let's click on continue. And as you can see, font of table name has changed to italic. That means that this table is disabled. Click on close and apply. There it is. Now we have only one table that contains also region data. So let's save this file. And let's go back to DAX Studio to check our model size. Now we have merged these two tables. External tools, select DAX Studio. And same as we did before, select advanced, view metrics, and below select summary, and here we have total size is 4.07 megabytes. So it is reduced from 6 to 4 megabytes, which is roughly around 30%. And I think that this is significant decrease. So let me just once again cover what are the biggest reasons for reducing for using merge function in Power BI, and that is reducing your model size. But that's not all. Some additional benefits are your report will work better, it will have better performance, smaller model is easier for Power BI to process, and making your reports faster. And by removing not necessary tables, we will have less relationships to manage, and we will reduce possible space for errors. And third benefit would be if you have less tables, your model will be much cleaner and easier to manage. Let's close DAX Studio. Let's just test it to see if this works. Let's select country, let's select the region that we have imported, and it works perfectly fine. So we can see Argentina, it's Latin America, Australia, APAC region, China, also Asia, Mexico, North America, Kazakhstan, Asia, Italy, Europe. So it works perfectly fine. And so that's how you manage tables in Power BI. Reduce your model size using DAX Studio and disable unnecessary tables while keeping your data fresh. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment of what Power BI tips you would like to see next. Thank you and goodbye.